Take off the side panel and the trim panel. Use a pry tool to pry open. Then remove the panel underneath the dashboard. There are 3 clips. Use a pry tool to pry those clips out. Then you can take the panel out now. Unplug the light that connect the panel. Unplug this cover too. Then use a pry tool to open the center console trim cover. Unplug the center console cable. Repeat the same step to take off the panel of the main driver side. Connect the blue plug. Take off the main driver panel. Use a screwdriver and pry tool to help you fasten the screw that holds the panel. Use the steering wheel's console to push out the steering wheel. Then take off this panel and separate it from the rubber cover. And replace the product to it. Take out the cable and plug it to the blue plug of the passenger seat side. Run the wire through the center console. Then go all the way through the main driver seat and connect the power. Run the mini dashboard wire to the steering wheel seat and connect it. Then install the steering wheel back.